Hi, my name's Jet Boyd. I wanted to show you a guitar that I recently built and show some of the sounds of this guitar. This guitar is a solid body electric guitar modeled after a Paul Reed Smith. And what it has is a flame maple carved top with a mahogany body, which is chambered to reduce weight, and has a rosewood cover plate and a mahogany neck with a ebony fingerboard and flame maple headstock cover. Gold hardware, of course. This guitar has two humbucker pickups, which can also be switched to single coil, volume and tone controls, and it has a unique six-way toggle switch. There's three positions that are in the upper position and three positions that are pointed down. And the combinations are, when it's up in number one position, it's the bridge pickup. In the middle here is bridge and neck pickup. Here is neck only. And then if we go down to the other positions, down in number one position is the bridge pickup single coil. Middle and down is single coil bridge and single coil neck, and then single coil neck only. So six pickup combinations, and then volume and tone. So I'm going to start off with both coils on the bridge pickup and just play a little bit. Very nice clean sound. Both humbuckers. Now, neck pickup only. A little more jazz sound. Now we go to single coil bridge, a little more bright, more of a Fender sound. Single coil bridge and neck, more of a out of phase sound. A little more chunky sound. And then we have a neck single coil, a little more of a Telecaster sound. So you can see you get quite a few sounds out of this one guitar.